Hey yo, I like why this. 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 I like.
That's crazy.
Which is fucked up, right?
That's so.
But guess what happened? That's me.
Yeah.
That's me. So when I'm talking to a woman, I'm saying to her.
So what you're saying is, I'm going to cheat on you.
No, I'm not saying I'm going to cheat on you. No.
Of cheating
I have I have the capability to cheat.
Okay.
I have the propensity to cheat. I have cheated in the past. However, I am saying to you as my woman that I have these huge needs, and I need these needs in the beginning. I need these needs to be met.
Or if not,
and I need for you to help me.
Okay.
To not violate us, right? Because I'm not going to disrespect you. I'm not going to, force you to.
Should that be her responsibility, though?
Huh?
Should that be her responsibility?
Her relationship is our responsibility. It's both our responsibility. If we're in a relationship, it's your responsibility. It's my responsibility. It's both our responsibility. And to maintain that relationship.
Is it the woman's responsibility to hold you accountable for not being impulsive on something that you should already know not to be impulsive
on? No, it is the woman's. So here's what with sex. Sex is a dangerous game, right? It's a life or death game. You are in that life or death game with me. Mm-hmm. If I step out from you and touch somebody that has the wrong thing, I am bringing that thing back to you. Mm-hmm. It is your responsibility to protect your life. It is your responsibility to protect your physical health. So here's what. Me being a part of you in the sense that we're in a sexual relationship, going out and having sex with someone who could bring something back to you, it is your job to help prevent that from happening.
Get the fuck out of here.
You don't believe that? You don't believe that. You don't believe that. So here's the thing. No, it's not, because it is my responsibility, just like it is yours, to help you to not make that. So here's how it's your responsibility. You have two ways of dealing with this, right? You decide to be in a relationship with me, and you and I, we're doing our thing or whatever. I say to you, I am this freak. I want to do this. I want to do it in the butt. I want to do this. I want to do. These are all the things I'm telling you. I like these freaky, crazy shit. You choose at the stage of getting involved with me. If I'm being honest with you, I'm going to be with you. A lot of women choose to do that and knowing that they're not capable of doing all the things that the man is saying he wants. So then now we're in this relationship, right? And I want to do it, and you can't. You can't do it 4 times like I want to. You can't do it 5 times. You don't want it in the butt. You don't want it. Now you're saying, I'm being real here. Now you're saying to me, you know what? You got to learn. We're in a relationship. You know what? It's bigger than this. It's supposed to be love. We shouldn't do all this stuff. And in my head, I'm hearing, we talked about it, and this is not the person I signed up for. So, but I may be in love with you, and I don't want to leave you because you might have so much qualities that I really, really don't want to lose. However, that girl over there gonna make me do all of this shit.
Like we're wasting each other's time. If we continue to live out this fantasy that's not actually a reality in our relationship world.
Okay.
Yes, you could have been very honest from the beginning, but as a woman, knowing herself, at some point, this shit's not going to slide much longer.
So shouldn't that woman at that time, remember we're in the beginning of the relationship, the fair thing to do at that time is to say to that man, I'm not going to be able to live up to that.
Yeah,
so at this point, it doesn't make sense for us to move forward. Or, all right, you know what, we could do it a couple of times, but then, it's not going to go anywhere because what you're asking for, I'm not going to be able to stuck to that. I would respect that. And then if the man chooses now, then he is the one that gives it up. Let me ask you this question. If I approach you as a woman and you come to me, you said to me, listen to me, David, I want a man that can pay my rent every month. He could pay my car note every month. He could take me on a vacation 2 or 3 times a year. He can give me these things that I need in life to make me happy. These are the things that makes me truly happy.
I feel like that's dangerous.
No. If you said that, no, but I'm just saying if that's you, that's not you, but I'm saying if that's you, and those are things you put up front, and me as a man say, all right, I think I could do that. You know, how much is your rent? Your rent is X amount. Okay, I think I could do all of these things, right? We get into the relationship. I'm doing it for 6 months. Everything you asked for. 7th and 8th month, I decide, man, this is too much. And I stop doing it.
That's starting off being conditional.
But every relationship is conditional whether we like it or not. It's on the condition that you are able to get me into that. You remember we talk about the woman that talk about content, but it's on the condition that you're gonna make me happy and I'm gonna make you happy.
I can't make somebody else happy.
The thing is, right?
No, we do.
Okay.
I can't.
I do believe.
So this is it, right?
You can't. Do you think you can make somebody sad?
You can make somebody
No.
sad.
Do
yes.
you think you can make somebody sad?
I can contribute.
Okay, so you cannot contribute to someone's happiness.
I can contribute
So
to
you're not making me.
and happiness,
Okay.
but it's not my sole responsibility.
So it is. It doesn't even
to
mean.
make
But it's not even
happiness.
No, but it's not about
Either you're going
responsibility.
to be happy.
No. You can make somebody
prior.
happy. You can make somebody happy or sad. Let me show you how I can make you happy right now, and I can make you sad. I could walk into this studio right now with $1 million and throw it down and say, "Shia, here's $1 million. You're gonna be happy. You have $1 million. I am the reason you got that $1 million." And I could make you sad by going outside and shooting your uncle, your auntie, or your father. And I can make you sad. Yes, we can make each other happy and sad. And in a relationship, unless we recognize that and understand that, we are directly responsible for our partner's
just understand
happiness.
Just understand
then
this,
we have
right?
a problem.
Just understand this, right? What you're talking about two different entities. You're talking about.
It's not different entities. It's making somebody happy or sad.
Hold on. You're talking about, you're okay. I give you $1 million. That's a physical.
And I make you happy.
And then I kill someone.
I make you sad.
I supposed to be happy.
Shia's point is that she can't make anybody happy or sad.
The point is that in any relationship that you go into, that's why I keep saying, is that I want someone that wants me, and I want that person.
Yes.
And I choose to be with that person. That person choose to be with me, right? Because for the simple
What
fact,
makes you want a person?
Hold on. For the simple fact that I'm already happy. I figure out me already.
Yes.
Right? And when this woman come around and we're together, she adds to the happiness.
That's that Will Smith bullshit.
No,
It is.
No, like
I'll tell you, it's a Will Smith.
Dave, let me ask you a question.
How?
I'm gonna tell you how.
Dave, let me ask you a question, right?
Uh-huh.
You know me very well.
Uh-huh.
Do you know me to be a follower?
No.
Okay. Do you know me to believe in what I want to believe in?
Yes.
Okay. So I don't listen to nobody.
I'm not talking about, but I'm saying your sentiment is the same thing Will Smith shared.
I'm talking about me right now.
Right.
I'm talking about me. I don't give a shit about nothing else. Like, I want to be happy. Mm-hmm. Like, if I can get up every morning and go to work, come home, come to the studio, play music, talk to Dave, call my sister, call my brother, I'm happy.
Right.
Now I have a girlfriend or a friend, and then when she come around, it's like, yo, damn, we're about to go out, get some ice cream, and we just start doing things together.
But this
now
is going
now she's adding
right.
to me being already happy. There's nobody am I responsible for you being happy?
In a relationship?
No.
I'm responsible to add to your happiness.
Okay, so here's what I completely don't agree with that thought process. I'll tell you right now. I'm the kind of dude that I speak it straight from the heart, how I see it. Here is how I see it. And I heard this first time I heard this.
I would never
Dave,
first
if
time,
if you're looking for someone to make you happy,
no,
you will never be happy.
Okay, hold
on.
on.
Why is that? Why?
Never.
Let me tell you this. If you're ever looking for someone to make you happy, right? You would never be happy. And there's people, and I get what you're saying. There's people that is in marriage and relationship that they have no way out, because then either way that they try to leave, that they look like they're the bad ones.
It's not even the
right?
looks. Is
so
the
me
problem
personally, to me personally, I feel like this. I have to know what makes me happy, and what makes me happy is the fact that I can wake up every morning. I can provide for myself. If I need to go on a trip, I can go on a trip. If I need to buy food, I can buy food. If I need to pay a bill, I can pay a bill. So, and I'm not living in the means of living check to check.
So that mindset that you can't make somebody happy or make somebody sad, or you're already happy and you don't need anybody to make you happy, is the same mindset that women have when they say they don't need a man. Because I'm gonna tell you why.
Oh,
Listen, yeah,
That's
it is.
different.
It is. It is.
That's different.
It is.
No.
Dave,
I'm gonna
me,
tell you.
you give. I mean to
How?
cut you, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you giving me $1 million, right? If I never get that $1 million, should I be sad for the rest of my life?
No.
Okay, so if
But-
I
but-
don't,
but-
okay, if I don't give you, right? Let's say I'm a female, you're the male, right? If I don't give you sex, are you gonna be unhappy for the rest of your life?
No, I'm gonna get it somewhere
No,
else.
because
No,
David's
no,
gonna go
let-
get
let's
it
say-
I'm gonna get it
somewhere
somewhere else.
Okay, let me ask you a question,
David
right?
is
Let's
gonna
And
go
and
find
which is
sex
gonna destroy the relationship.
somewhere else.
Listen,
Right.
listen. If no one gives you sex, are you gonna be happy? Unhappy? There's never gonna.
I'm
be
a jerk off.
Okay, so you're gonna find other ways.
Yes.
To find some type of happiness.
Right.
Right. So my thing is this: you can't depend on someone else to make you happy. You have to be happy for you.
Okay.
You gotta look at yourself like if you get up in the morning, right?
Uh-huh.
You get up in the morning,
Mm-hmm.
and you look around the house. Your house is clean, feels good, it feels fresh.
Mm-hmm.
You know, nice bathroom. You put on your nice robe. You got some coffee. You appreciate life,
Right.
right? And then
I don't
someone-
like life, just so you know. So that's another story.
Well, but then you have
You know
you
what?
have
This
deeper
should be
issues
a-
that you need to
this-
deal
this
with
needs-
because
thank
I'm telling you right now,
Thank
if
you.
you're not happy,
Nobody's going to
and
do
you're
that
waiting
for you.
and you're waiting for someone to make you happy,
Okay.
you need to really sit down and start praying. And if you need me to pray for you, I'll pray for you.
All right. So
But I don't believe, and I strongly disagree that
All right.
that you're waiting for someone to make you happy.
So-
Because guess what?
Uh-huh.
It would never happen.
okay, so let me make this
Never.
point. Let me make this point.
Because
when I
all
say,
women, this is what women do. Women gonna get with you,
Mhm.
right? And you get the happiness, and then 2-3 years,
they're gonna snatch it away.
5 years later, then they're not the same because guess what?
Okay, so here's the thing: when you pair up with somebody,
Yep.
when you get and it's even in the Bible say when you get married, you become one. So here's my point to you: we speak about these fairy tale relationships that everybody wants, right? These fairy tale relationship, and I just feel like people are not willing to put the work in that it takes to make those fairy tale relationship realities. If you are in a relationship and feel to yourself that you are not responsible for your partners, the person you claim being in love with you makes me happy, right? The reason why I'm in this relationship, you say you can't make me happy, but being in love, I could be having sex with anybody else on this planet, but I choose to be having sex with you, and being in this relationship with you makes me happy, right? You are the one you are the source of my happiness.
No, the hell I'm not.
No, you are.
I contribute. I
No,
contribute to
You
that.
are. So when you
That sounds
okay,
crazy.
it is not.
That's toxic.
No,
Yeah,
it's not.
Absolutely.
You know what?
I
You-
can't agree
okay,
with
so
you that.
you know what?
I can't.
Shit.
I can't.
Listen. Let me tell you
Here's the
something.
thing.
Here's what
let
makes
me-
me different
hold
from
on.
most people, right? This new age shit that we talk
this-
about.
There's no new
It's
age.
new
shit.
age.
I don't. Not,
It's
not,
new
not
age.
that.
This
Not
is
that.
not-
Not
I'm telling you.
This
that,
is not
not
new
that,
age shit.
Not that. You
Let
should
me-
be able
let
to
me-
survive without someone.
So I'm a
someone
dude.
else.
I'm a dude, right?
Mhm.
Cher, you're my woman. Me and you live together, right?
Okay.
Boom, we in the house, right?
Okay.
I say to you, Cher, I'm not responsible for your happiness, like Will Smith said before. And you see what happened with.
You're not.
Hold on. You
Don't
see
add
what?
Will Smith to this. Will Smith-
No.
their
I'm gonna
lives
tell
are
you.
totally
The
different.
first time I heard that.
put that
The
level.
first time I heard that thought about me being responsible for my happiness
Yes.
and you being responsible for happiness, I heard it
Yes.
from Will Smith. And when I heard that the first time, I was like, you are like, and I like Will Smith, but at that point, I was like, and you see what happened in that man's life. When you take that tack, and you take that idea that you negate yourself from any responsibility to your partner, for your partners,
It's not so
it
much
is negating because
no,
Will
it's
Smith
not.
negates his responsibility of saying, "Hear what? I'm not responsible for you, Jada, for your happiness. You got to make
he's
you."
not.
No, he says you got to go make yourself happy, and
He
I go make
does.
myself happy. What happened?
He does.
She go fuck her sons. Or she go fuck her sons.
well,
friend.
that's deep.
No. But no. Listen.
Those are
It's the same thing.
It is not the same thing.
It is because
Here's the thing.
if she took responsibility and he took responsibility for their happiness and say, hey, we need to make sure that we are doing the right thing for each
First
other.
of all, sex cannot just define only as happiness. It plays a part of your happiness.
It does.
And it's only for a moment.
Listen.
So you can't say Dave, let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question, Dave.
It's new age. I'm telling you.
The only time you're happy
is when I'm fucking.
Just say that. Just say that.
You know, I'm in the studio, I'm fucking.
We could pass all of this. We could literally sweep all of this shit out the studio and start from scratch if you were just to say that from the beginning. Yeah, no. David, I'm not happy in a relationship
unless I'm in something.
Unless I gotta be in something.
No,
like,
but listen, okay. I tell
and
exactly.
And that's that. But then it goes deeper because you have to figure out, why do you feel like you need to feel or fill this sexual desire of yours?
Because I feel,
and why aren't you understanding enough to understand and overstand, like, sometimes in a relationship, yes, sex is very much so important, but it's not the most important thing.
You are listening to Livewire Radio 95.7 FM and livewireradio.com.